find a decimal number. Now the conditions given are, after I have subtracted 3.9 from it, means from this number I subtract 3.9, multiply the result by 4, means the answer which I get I multiplied by 4, and then added 0.25, means I add 0.25 after this multiplication. What I get is 5.65. Now what we'll do is we'll write these in equational form. We'll write that in equations. So let the number be x. First what I do is subtract 3.9 from x. It's given x minus 3.9, sorry. After that what I do is multiply this result by 4. So 4 multiplied by x minus 3.9. Then what I do is add 0.25 to this multiplication. So what I do is 4 into x minus 3.9 plus 0.25. And when I do this, I get the answer as 5.65. Now I have got the correct equation which I require. So what I'll do is I have to find out x. While finding x, always follow. First, try to take plus or minus signs and the figures related to that on the other side. So first what we'll do is x minus 3.9. This we can take it out because there is a multiplication in bracket. So first take 0.25 on the other side. So once this is plus, it goes on the other side of the equals to, it becomes minus. Now what remains is 4 multiplied by x minus 3.9. This is gone, equals to 5.4 once you subtract this. Now what we next have to do is remove 4 now. This 4 is to be taken to other side. How? What happens is this 4 is multiplication. Now once you change this 4 from your left side to right side, this multiplication becomes divide. So it will be 5.4 divided by 4 now. See here, x minus 3.9 remains there only and 4 gets divided. Means 5.4 divided by 4. Let's find the answer. See this, 5.40 divided by 4. 4 1 the 4, 1 remains 0.4 over here. 4 3s are 12. This point again here also you take the same point. 4 3s are 12. Then 2 remains 0. This 0 comes down. 24 5s are 20. 0. So answer is 1.35. So x minus 3.9 equals to 1.39. Now we have to find out x. So take 3.9 over here. So when 3.9 goes on the other side of equals to, it becomes plus. So it will be now 1.35 plus 3.90. 0 we have to put it over here. So 5, 12, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5.25. X is 5.25.